Hello. In this video I will show you how to exclude single cabinets from CNC and parts list export. When you have several cabinets in your drawing, like 4 cabinets in this example here, and you want to exclude single cabinets from the export to CNC and the parts list, navigate to the Cabinet tab, choose the cabinet you want to exclude in the drop-down menu on the left, and type in the value 0 here for amount. As you can see in the list here, the cabinet parts with the cabinet ID 1 are excluded from the parts list, as well as from the CNC export when you hit the Export CNC button right here. Thank you for watching.